This is an important point, and we have already had the opportunity to talk to this point. For the moment, we are still managing the coronavirus crisis and the consequences thereof. It goes without saying that further down the line, we will be looking at lessons learned out of this crisis. And the Conference on the Future of Europe will also provide a good context for that type of discussion. But for the moment, we are focusing on crisis management, management of the crisis, of its impact, and policies required to get out of that crisis. Thank you. Moving on, I have Georgi. No, apologies. Are there, first of all, any further questions on health matters? That is our current open issue. So questions for Stéphane.
It's not for Stéphane. Georgi, je vois que ta main est levée. C'est une question sans...
Georgi, you have raised your hand. Is this a health question? No, it's a question on freedom of movement and the initiative by the President for free movement of seasonal workers. OK, well, if you could just wait a moment then. Antanasios.
Health?
Yes, it is.
OK,
yes,
go ahead.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
So, the thing is, the first wave of the COVID cases caught us by surprise. OK, it was unprecedented. But in the meantime, the medical community is asking, are you preparing something like a unified protocol, precautionary measures and guidelines for a potential second wave of COVID cases coming in the autumn or in the winter of 2020? Is there something standardized preparing in the pipeline, let's say, as a precaution for a second wave this winter? Thanks.
Good morning, Athanasios. Yes, on the second wave. We are constantly coordinating information with the member states through different fora, such as the Health Security Committee and also the weekly health ministers' video conferences with Commissioner Kyriakides. Much of this information on state of play with regards to personal protective equipment, medical devices and so on is used by the European Centre on Disease Prevention and Control for assessment on preparedness for a possible second wave. The ECDC is now working on an analysis in view of possible second wave and preparedness measures to implement in this respect. According to the latest rapid risk assessment issued by the ECDC, member states should prepare for eventual second waves of infection by taking every opportunity to enhance the existing surveillance systems. The Commission remains committed, obviously, to working with the ECDC and member states to ensure there is an adequate risk communication, which is key to ensure that the citizens understand that new waves can indeed occur, even if the initial wave of infection is successfully managed. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much.